Welcome back to another video. We're shopping at two different stores today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Alright, we got this one, $149. Yeah, we've seen this before. We're waiting for this to drop so we can buy it. Obviously, you want to check it out at your stores. Make sure they don't have a ridiculous low price, because if they do, then you should pick it up. This one's a really good deal. This one's the older 40 volt brushless, self-propelled for $2.99. It's a 20-inch. It does come with a battery charger. That's a really good deal on those. They're clearancing these out because they're going to put in some new ones. The new ones are lighter gray. That one's the darker gray, and then this one's green. They do have a DeWalt here on the side. I did not see any tags or anything. I should have asked if they did a discount or a special deal on this one, but I already have two more, so no room for a third one. Alright, so you got a rear handle here. This is the kit. Basically comes with two batteries, dual port charger, a bag, and then you get a free oscillating tool or a reciprocating saw. And you can hack this. I believe it comes to like $170 something, so make sure you guys check that out. They're still running these deals, guys. You know, I would definitely recommend these, especially the SDS, the nail gun, rotary hammer. Those are the best ones to get. But if you need any of these, make sure you guys pick them up. And you can also hack them. You can return the battery and the charger, because you will get that battery and charger for free when you buy the tool. And you get to keep it at a discounted price, if that's what you want to do. But it's definitely great deals, guys, because you are getting this for like really low price. You got the jigsaw, the quarter sheet sander, the one-handed reciprocating, the reciprocating saw, my bad. You got the SDS there. That's the jigsaw there. So pretty good deals. Make sure you guys get them if you're gonna, because they will go away. I got the buy more save more. You buy 249, save 25. You buy 349, save 70. You buy 449, you save 135. This is Makita. So any combination until you get to the 149, you're gonna save that 135. And then if you don't want them, you can return them and keep the ones at a discounted price, which is a really great deal. You guys are going to get those tools around $100 to $130. Killer deal on those. $3.99 for the slider. It's a 12-inch slider from Bridget. And then you got the DeWalt's for $3.99. So same price, guys. Definitely go for this one. If it's the same price, it's the 7790 WS779. This is the legendary 779. Alright, you got the SDS from Fuel, $179, or you can get the red lithium starter kit. I personally wouldn't get any of these. These are way too much, unless you're gonna get like a hack or a deal. If you need an SDS, go with DeWalt. That's your better route at this time. As you guys did see, you can get it at the discounted price. Same thing with this, guys. This is a really good deal with that brushless kit, $199, and then you get that free battery. If you guys return that battery, you guys are gonna get this for around $130 something. It's a killer deal. This comes with two amp hour batteries. This is the kit for $29, I believe, for $24. Oh yeah, $29.97. Oh, actually, this is another one. My bad. So yeah, this is another one, $29.97. I would definitely not get that. That thing's way too much. But the other one, the buy one get one free, that's a pretty good deal too. You can return that battery and get that the kit for cheaper. Yeah, it's way too much for that. Usually you find it on clearance or clearance, or if you wait for the holidays, you guys are gonna see these kits for like $15, $20. And if you wait for a great clearance, you're gonna see this for like $6. So you got the dual pack 3 amp hour 12 volt chargers there, or batteries, and you got the screw gun there. So you got some more Milwaukee's over here. Not necessarily the best deals. I'm just showing you guys what this store has, and see if we can, you know, get you guys some better deals. All right, so you got this kneeling pad. I love this thing. This thing's really nice, really thick, great for the knees. For us bigger guys, we need the thicker ones. Alright, so $3.99 for the Fuel 2-tool combo kit. That is not a good price. You can probably get this with the hack for about a little bit more than half the price. So yeah, guys, so make sure you guys wait and stay tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel, because when these deals pop up, I will post them and they will sell out. Same thing with this thing. You know, if you're gonna get that battery for free, then don't pay the $199. Got the goatskin gloves there, $19.99. I wouldn't pay that for these though. You got the edge trimmer, $149. 22-inch. You got a 14-inch string trimmer, and it is folding. You got $79.97 for the whole dozer, 11 piece. You got $199 for each of these kits. It's not worth getting it. Not really the best. This is a really good deal. You buy any of the kits on the left, you get a tool on the right. So you can get the impact driver, drill driver, fuel. You get the installation driver, or the one-handed reciprocating saw kits. Any of those kits, and you can get yourself a free ratchet, right angle drill, rotary, or oscillating tool. So if you guys return those tools, you guys could get to keep those kits for cheap. I got this one. This one says protects side stops impact. It's way too much for this one, unless you know there's something special about this one. So $109 for that. There's some cheaper ones down here. So they got all kinds different colors, and so $19.97. Then you got a red one down here, $19.97 for this one, and then you got a yellow one to the side. So guys, no pink, guys, no pink. All right, so all right, so you got these, and then. Alright, and I was looking through these. These are the inverters, the Ryobi inverters, 120 watt power inverter. So if you got these batteries, this is a great little deal. If you guys go camping, or you know your light goes out at your house or something like a storm, it's a great little device here to put a small fan or a TV for a little while at least. If you got a lot of batteries, then you're pretty much good to go there. So that's the next one over, $24.98. That's for a regular inverter with, I believe, a 12-volt inverter. This is the price for that one. So $49.97 for that 121. You got $129 for this 800 watts. Now this one's for the car cigarette lighter. You can put that in the cigarette lighter, and I believe you can put a battery on the side of it. I would have to check that out. Yeah, and I'm planning on taking some concrete off a sidewalk I have at the house. So guys, let me know if these are worth buying, those discs for the angle grinders, or should I go a different route to grind that off. Let me know that in the comment section if you guys are a little bit more experts on grinding sidewalks and stuff like that, patios, because I need to grind a little bit of, like, maybe a couple inches. You got the Buy More Save More from Milwaukee, so pretty good deals. If you guys know how to mix and match, you guys could do the math online, on the app. Obviously, get the better deal. You got this nailer, 172. Guys, keep an eye out on these, because they will drop. Same thing with this thing. This is a gear wrench, 232 piece, $319. This is a huge kit. I mean, a huge kit. So keep an eye out on this one, because they might drop in price. They got a flooring nailer, $249. It says 2 in 1 inch, I believe. So I guess you have to impact it on the back so you get the nail in. I don't know exactly how this one works. I never used one of these before. So $249 for this one. Alright, got some oscillating tools. This is back from the holidays. Steel 45. Waiting for them to drop. Alright, second store. Yeah, I just try to put as much as I could in this video, because there wasn't a lot to show you guys on the first store. Yeah, we got the new, well, actually not the new, but they got some new ones in. These are the older mowers. Like I said, make sure you guys check them out. Some of these on clearance. You guys did see that the other store was $299. Now this one is $23.29. On this was $29 more. So definitely check it out yours. These are great mowers, guys. Great mowers. And these are the new ones. and they will have some. The new ones are supposed to be that same color. So just keep an eye out for those. And then got the Hondas there. I'm surprised they're still selling gas Hondas here, because you know some Home Depots are getting that paper, that nasty paper that you can't have small engines. This is the new backpack sprayer from DeWalt. This is up to 90 psi, $249. I think it's a little pricey. If it's good, you know, it's worth it. It might be worth buying, but I don't know. If you guys want me to demonstrate this thing or test it out for you guys, let me know that in the comment section. So it does have a variable speed or gallon per minute flow. Different nozzle storage. Oh, it does have a storage inside. Wow. It does come with a 2 amp hour battery and a charger. So don't care about that battery. Have a lot of those. I got the sprayer backpack from Ryobi, $159. You guys see the price difference on these. I guess for a homeowner, this one makes a little bit more sense. You got a bigger, you know, a ranch or something. You got the mister fan there for $99. You put that on the bucket with some water and it'll mist it for you. You got a hard hat there, $747 and $697. Alright, so pretty cheap hard hats there. Alright, you got the axe and you got some oscillating blades. Not necessarily the best deals on those oscillating blades. I guess that 5-pack is pretty decent. But I seen better on those. So wait for a sale. Wait for those you know, those special buy of the day videos that I make. Sometimes we'll get some good deals on those. You got a 4-tool combo kit here. Looks like a circular saw, oscillating tool, impact driver, drill driver, and then $349 for the compressor. You get a free battery. Again, you guys can hack this. You guys could return this battery and keep the tool at a discounted price. So I personally wouldn't have a need for a compressor. All my power tools are battery operated and will do everything with batteries. So you got a flashlight there, $49.97 for the 6.5 magnesium compact framing circular saw. Alright, $99 for the high output or max output battery kits, and then you got a 2-pack batteries or the drill driver there for 99 bucks. A lot of you guys like rigid. I personally don't care about rigid. I should maybe invest in a tool, and hopefully that'll change my mind. But I personally don't see a place for rigid. You know, either you get the Ryobi, the cheaper one, the house grade or home grade, or you just go straight to Milwaukee or DeWalt. That's the way I see it. So, alright, you got the oscillating tool. You got oh, this is a pretty nice LED light. So hybrid LED light, 49 was 69. It's inflator. So it's a rigid inflator for you guys. Then you got a nailer here. Is a clean drive technology, $179. It is brushless. $229 for the impact driver and drill driver with the hammer drill. 3 speeds. Seems like you get 2 batteries. And you get a pack of 3 batteries, 2 4s and a 2. $179. Alright, we got some, we're just going to go over here some Milwaukee pack out stuff. You got the 2 shelf racking system or kit. $139. And then again, guys, if you guys want to get the best prices on these things, you guys have to wait for the holidays. The holidays, sometimes we get some glitches, some crazy glitches. We did have a crazy glitch like 2 years ago where we got a whole tower of pack out, like a 3-piece pack out for like $100 and something. It was just a crazy deal. It was just a few hours that was live, and a lot of us got it. A lot of us subscribed to this channel and other channels. So guys, like I said, stay subscribed, because when these deals pop up, they go crazy. They'll sell out. I got the compact toolbox, $69.97. This is the crate, not the crate, the what you call it? Yeah, the tray, $39.97. I believe Joe the Tool Guy did a video about this thing. It's pretty nice. So make sure you guys check out Joe the Tool Guy. He does some nice videos. I believe those inserts are removable. You can remove them, and it is standard pack out compatible. You guys do see. You got the worktop here, the custom worktop, 54.97. It's actually really nice. I believe VCG did a video on this thing. You could actually take a jigsaw and trace the wood part on the top and just save it that as a plate or so you could basically cut your own wood and then just replace it with that, and then just save the original so you can trace another one in case you need to replace it. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.